Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your WhatsApp personal link. So first of all, what you have to do is open your web browser on your phone. Now, to get your WhatsApp link, there is a manual way. There is no way that you can open the WhatsApp application and find your link. So you have to do it manually and you have to remember it. To do it, what you have to do is open your web browser and go to the URL section on the top. Now, you have to type in wa.me/. You have to input your phone number if you live in United States, and which means your country code is +1. So you have to neglect the plus button or the plus digit, and then what you have to do is enter your number. For instance, if you have 9904149, so in my country code is +92. So what I will do, I will neglect the plus, and then what I will do, I will enter my remaining number. After inputting my number, what I have to do is simply hit enter or select the go key. It will open a new web page, api.whatsapp.com. Now what you have to do is simply copy that button or copy that link. I will select the copy link, and then if I send this link to anyone, it will let them go directly into my chat. So if I select continue to chat and select the WhatsApp account, as you can see, it has landed me on the U page, which is my own page. And that's how you can get your own personal WhatsApp link. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.